What's that name of yours? Julie B.
Julie B, yes sir.
What? It sounds like Jolly B.
No, not the same with the fast food. It's combination with my mother and father. It's a unique name.
Oh, what's your mother and father's
Yeah,
name?
Ju is from July, my birth month. Then Lee is my father, Lee, and V is Elvi, my mother's name.
Your mother's name?
So that's the unique name.
Okay.
That's same with McDonald's, like fast food.
No, nothing like that.
Everything's okay. Oh,
You're born in July.
yeah, July.
What day in July?
July 15th.
July 15th. Right in the middle. Right.
Yeah.
What do you do here? What's your role here?
Sorry, sir?
What do you do for work here? Are you in the kitchen or?
No, I'm the service
You're
sir.
sir.
Here.
You're doing a very good job.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
And because you're doing such a good job, could you take our peanut butter
Yeah, I already
and hide it away for tomorrow?
I already prepared a lot of peanut butter to stay until when Phoenix more. Yeah, I already prepared that.
The outstanding setting for breakfast, right out on the pool area. Big pool with the calachuchi trees, the palm trees, and some accommodation around the pool. Lots of deck chairs. Then down on the beach there's lots of sunbeds. There's the Brescia restaurant over there, the Italian, which we went to last night. Beautiful. Let's have a look at the breakfast here. The buffet breakfast at the Movenpick. Here we have some Danish, some fruit muffins, some choc muffins, some croissants, chocolate croissants. This looks like some pan de sal, soft rolls, coffee, an assortment of donuts, more rolls, and some bread and things to be toasted. The breakfast setting is beautiful, overlooks the pool. Morning, morning, chef.
Good morning po. Mabuhay.
Hi. Okay, I've got all the yogurts here and some salad. Morning. Some more bread, another toaster, tea and coffee making facilities, then some cereal, some fruits, a binka. Here we have the soups, some congee soup, chicken soup, and the condiments for this that go into the soup. Here we have the pork station with some bacon and eggs, some chipolati, sweet and sour pork, the garlic rice, normal rice, stir-fried mixed vegetables, Sri Lankan curry chicken, stir-fried beef, and Thai fish. Then we have the egg station. These guys can whip up anything in the egg station. Make a very good omelette here.
Thank you.
Morning. Then we have some chicken bacon pasta, chicken fingers, baked potato, grilled tomato, some waffles, and more donuts to finish that breakfast off. Then we have the juices, the Four Seasons, the orange juice, calamansi, and cold water. The Four Seasons is made up of mango, guava, orange, and pineapple juice. My hot serving for breakfast this morning at the Movenpick. Beautiful. Here we have some red watermelon, some yellow watermelon, some mango, and some
Pomelo.
pomelo. A close look at the pomelo. Tastes quite good. Not too sweet.
I got just a few weeks.
How many weeks?
Just 2 weeks, and I'm just an intern here, sir.
I know you're an intern, but you're doing a good job.
Yeah.
You should be promoted very soon. This is Miles. He comes here and he drops things off, and like a good waiter does, he takes things away also.
Thank you so much.
Good work, mate.
Thank you so much.
For today's video, chocolate hour naman. And ito yung available nila for their chocolate hour dito sa Movenpick. Chocolates. Yeah, and this is all the available for their happy chocolate hour. Chunks of chocolates.